To open the DApp browser in Trust Wallet, start by opening the Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, navigate to the Settings menu by tapping on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, scroll down and look for the Browser section. Here you will find the option to enable the DApp browser. Tap on the toggle button next to DApp browser to enable it. After enabling the DApp browser, you can access it by tapping on the browser icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will open the DApp browser where you can search for and interact with various decentralized applications. When using the DApp browser, make sure to only access trusted websites and applications to avoid any potential security risks. It is also important to keep your wallet and browser up to date with the latest security patches and updates. To add a specific DApp to your browser, simply navigate to the DApp's website and follow the prompts to connect your wallet. Once connected, you can use the DApp's features and functions. It is essential to understand that the DApp browser in Trust Wallet allows you to interact with decentralized applications, but it is your responsibility to ensure the security and legitimacy of the applications you use. Always do your research and exercise caution when interacting with new dApps. By following these steps, you can easily open and use the DApp browser in Trust Wallet, giving you access to a wide range of decentralized applications and services. Remember to always prioritize security and only use trusted dApps to protect your assets and personal information.